Hello everyone, welcome into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to do a zoom in and zoom out with the dynamic editing on a CapCut application by iOS or iPhone. So first thing we have to do now is just go up on the CapCut application, and after that we just need to click a new project since I want to have or explain to you from the beginning. Since I have no video now, I would like to use the stock video from the CapCut, and today I think I would like to use this video. And after that you just need to go click add. Now you can use this ratio, or you can also add another ratio. For example, you want to use this video for your Instagram feed. I think this one is probably matched to you, and now you just need to pinch this video to fill up all of the frame. Now let's take a look first. Okay, now we get it there. And after you're done with editing the ratio, you just need to go click done. And now the way how to edit it, zoom in and zoom out. So first thing, you need to decide which part that you want to make this video zoom in. For example, this side. So you just need to go click the clip, add this keyframe tools, and after that we need to decide the positions that we want to make it zoom in, this, and then just click another keyframe. Now you just need to zoom in right away into the specific positions right there, and have a test. So your video is slowly zoom in right there. Okay, and now how to make it zoom out. So you just need to decide which position that you want to make it zoom out. For example, this. You just need to do the same. Go add a keyframe, this tools, and after that you just need to zoom out the clip. Don't forget to adjust in the positions too. Right there. And after you're done, don't forget to have a test again. So this video is slowly zoom in, and now it's slowly zoom out. So that's the way how to do zoom in and zoom out in a CapCut application. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.